Hey babes, hey, your girl is back with another video, and I promise I won't keep y'all long. It's here, babes. It's here. If you know what I'm talking about, then go ahead on and make sure you hit the like. If you don't know what I'm talking about, subscribe so you can find out what I'm talking about. Still hit the subscribe, okay? Like, comment, share. Y'all know all those good YouTube things, okay? So now that we got that out the way, welcome back, babes. Welcome back, okay? So it's your girl, Yvette. I am the owner of GoLuckyCharmz. And I've been getting a lot of great feedback about the class, y'all. Everybody is talking about the Croc class, and I'm super excited. Now we about to see who gonna put their money where their mouth is, period. So the Croc class is officially April the 24th. It is going to be at 6 o'clock p.m. It will be via Zoom. Now, the Croc class is already up on the website. So if you go click the link in the description, which is www.GoLuckyCharmz.com, you can go under bookings on the website. You can go under new arrivals and under Crocs. It is located under all three of those categories on the website. So if you click in here, you click in there, honey, wherever you click in, it should come up, okay? Period. Is it something in my hair? I feel like it's just something in my hair. Or is that my earrings back there kind of looking? Okay. So anyway, so yes, the Croc class is officially on the website. So I'm super excited about that, y'all. It is $400, $399.99, period, okay? It comes with a full Croc kit. Now there's 40 spots available. Whether we secure all 40 spots or not, I am closing it down by a certain date because it's very important that you pay as soon as possible because I need to get your full Croc kits to you. So once your class is fully paid, then a week or so prior to the class, I will be shipping out your kits priority. So you will get them in any 1 to 3 business days, no matter where you're at in the U.S. So I'm super excited, y'all. Like, that's it. I really just came to just tell y'all that the Croc class is finally here. I narrowed it down by going through all the messages. A lot of y'all were just saying it didn't matter as long as it was Sunday or Sunday evening. Y'all really didn't, it didn't really matter to y'all which day it was, but some of y'all were specific and was like the 24th that worked better. So it was more specific to the 24th. Like I said, because most of y'all just was like, it don't matter, sis. We ready for this class. We ready for this class. So I'm super excited, y'all. This is my first Croc class. I'm pretty sure it won't be my last, but I do want it to get to a point where I can have it pre-recorded and on the website at some point before the end of this year. Have it pre-recorded and y'all be able to just go straight to the website and download it, which would be a lot cheaper than you having a live class. But the live class benefits is better than a downloadable because you don't get a Q&A. You don't get to ask me questions right then and there. You have, it's almost kind of like a one-on-one when you're doing a Zoom class because I get to physically see you hold up something and say, hey, Livette, you know, am I doing this right? Or, you know, I get to critique, I get to answer questions. Like, that's the part I'm super excited about, the live part. I can't wait to do this class because I know it's so many of y'all that just want to do Crocs and either don't know where to start or already started and you still just having problems with certain things, whether it's your foundation, whether it's placements, whether it's some of y'all is even so new to the point where y'all don't even know where to get started. Y'all so overwhelmed because there's so much information being told to you. It's so many products out there. Y'all just don't even know where to start. The class is not talking about pricing or anything like that. I did a whole video for that. This is for someone who wants to get into the Croc business but haven't been able to do that yet, or this is for someone who's just getting started in the Croc business and like I said, they have tons of questions and just need help, or this is somebody who's already comfortable in their skin and just, you know, love to learn. Like me, I know a lot of things, but y'all, I constantly invest in myself. And I'm always willing to learn, so I'm always spending money to learn more and more information. Like, you never stop learning because everybody do things so different that you can always learn. And y'all know me, I always like to give y'all the tea anyway, so why not just sign up for the class? Okay, it's very affordable. If you don't have the whole $399.99 $399.99, honey. Then try to check out the Sazzle or Affirm. I don't know. They're both available on the website, so it's maybe an option for you to check out that way. But what I'm saying is secure the class now, because y'all done big me up to do it, and now I'm super excited to do it. So I hope all y'all who's been talking about it all this time actually sign up for the class so we can have us a good time. Definitely come in there, be prepared to learn, because I'm going to be there to teach. I'm coming in there to make sure by the time you're done with that class, you're confident within yourself, that you know you're going to have to continue to work on things, because the more you work and the more you practice, the better you be. I'm not going to say you're going to be perfect, because there's no such thing as perfect. You can be great at something but not perfect at it, if that makes sense. You know how they say practice makes perfect? I don't believe practice makes perfect. I believe practice makes you better and better and better until you out here being able to charge $200 and some for a pair of Crocs. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all excited as I am, okay? Because I'm ready to get y'all these gems. Yes, we're going to talk about how to get that damn glue off those stones, okay? I also found, I can't give y'all all the tea, okay? I'm going to save some tea for the class, okay? So, yeah, it's going down. It's going down. So, make sure y'all click the link in the bio. Sign up for the Croc class. It is under new arrivals. It is under Crocs, and it's under the booking site. It will be via Zoom, so you will get all the Zoom information probably like a day or two prior to class with the Zoom password and web ID number. Like I said, you'll get your full Croc kit a week or so prior to the class. So I need to see how many people are signing up, because I don't want 2 people to sign up today. Now I'm sending out a Croc kit today. No, I want to be able to sit down closer to the class once I cut it completely off, and then send out all the Croc stuff. So I'll probably cut it off at least like probably a week prior. So whoever don't get in a week prior probably won't be able to get in. I'm not going to keep it up on the website all the way up until the day of class, because then it wouldn't make sense. You wouldn't have your full Croc kit, and then you wouldn't be able to participate. And the class is going to be, you have to participate. If you're going to be there, you have to participate. And another thing is, let me address these 2 things. You cannot be late. Okay, we're doing a 15-minute grace period. I do not want to be in class longer than 2, maybe 2.5 hours. Now, if it goes into 3, I do have my schedule allotted for at least 3 hours, because I don't know how many people is going to be on there. I don't know what questions y'all is going to have, and I want to be able to cater to each and every individual on there and make sure you get my undivided attention as much as possible. Okay, so don't be late. Like, once we get in after the 15 minutes grace period, everybody is going on mute, honey, and we're going to get off into it, because a lot of people is here to learn, not to play no games, okay? So I'm super, like I said, I'm super excited. As I'm telling y'all this, I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe we're doing a Croc class. Y'all asked, and it took me a minute, but we here, sis, we here. Another thing, somebody did DM me already and asked, can we use any of our discount codes? Unfortunately, no. I know my worth. I know what I'm bringing to this class. I know what I already give y'all for free, so just imagine what we're going to be in this class, where you get to one-on-one me and not have to send me a DM or send me a message under a YouTube video, which I do respond, at least to 90% of them. Some of them I miss. I understand that. I'm human. I'm not on YouTube all the time. They ain't paying me a nickel, okay? So I do this because I love y'all, because if you see, ain't no ads on my videos, okay? So anyways, yes, it's going on almost 10 minutes, and I don't want this video to be over 10 minutes. So no, you cannot use any coupon codes, no discounts. If you do put in BABE or any of the other coupon codes that you're able to use on products, unfortunately, I will have to cancel the class. Well, not cancel the class. I would not cancel the class, but what I would do is I'll just refund your money and cancel your order. And you would have, if you want to be in the class, you would just have to re-sign up for it and pay for it, but you just cannot use a discount. That's the only thing about having it on a website, because I have so many different coupon codes. People are already wanting a discount. Like, invest in yourself. Be willing to invest in yourself, and don't always be looking for a discount. You're getting a full Croc kit. You're getting a one-on-one almost with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get to ask me questions right then and there. I'm helping you perfect the skill that's going to pay your initial investment back 10 times over once you get into this game, okay? $399.99 is a very small investment to the money you're going to be making once you put yourself out there. It's up to you to push yourself. Now, if you want more coaching and, you really want me to, like, get into this thing with you, I have coaching also available on the website that's been there for, like, a year now. So, has it been there a year? I don't know, but it's on the website. It's been there. People take advantage of it, and I help a lot of women that way by them signing up for the coaching, the one-on-one coaching, whether it's by each session or by the month. It does not matter. I offer that to really help people that have like questions. You know, they just want to be personal with you. Sometimes they want to really pick your brain and be like, okay, Lucky, I want to know how you do X, Y, and Z. And because they know I'm not a person that's fearful of other women, I don't get intimidated by other people making money. I want us all to win. I don't hold anything back. You can ask any of my ladies that has took in my mentorship class. I don't hold anything back. The only thing I ain't out here slinging around is vendors. And that's because I tell y'all I would not put a vendor list together or anything like that, because I feel like it's too easy to find vendors these days. You know what I'm saying? So it's no purpose of me putting it out there just to make money off of a vendor list. Can I? Because I'm so trustworthy, people would buy the vendor list because they know I'm a trustworthy person. But am I willing to just take people money just because? No, because sis, when you ask me, I'm like, how you find me? What you was searching? Okay, you know what I'm saying? It's too easy. So I'm not willing to do that, but I'm not against anybody who does. I feel like if that's, you know, it's a lot of good trustworthy people out here selling good vendors. You just got to be willing to and want to invest in that. And that's just not for me. I know my lane and I stay in it. And this Croc class is my lane. And I'm super excited because I live through y'all, because y'all know I cannot create as much as I used to create. I used to love making Crocs. I used to love being able to sit there and do it and just be in my peace and in my zone when I do it. And actually, I'm going to be making myself a few pair coming up when I get the time, hopefully sooner than later. But yeah, I live through y'all. When y'all come on and y'all buy my pieces and then y'all tag me and y'all post and I get to see what y'all created with the pieces that I was able to provide for y'all, that makes my day. That makes my life. I'm super, super grateful, you know, that all y'all babes like just trusting me, but I'm seeing y'all flourish. I'm seeing y'all businesses grow. I'm seeing y'all hide behind the bushes and jump out now. Like, what's up? Here I go. You know, you been looking for me? Here I go. So yeah, like a lot of y'all going live now. Y'all being more consistent with y'all posting. I just feel like, you know, we growing, y'all. We growing, and I'm proud of all of us. Okay, so yeah, if the Croc class is something you've been waiting for, you know, don't talk about it, be about it. Go grab your class right now. It's on the website. There is no faking, no fronting. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm gonna be there on April 24th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope I see you there too, sis. Now, once them classes fill up, they fill up. I don't know when the next time I'll be doing another one. I don't even know how this one gonna go. So I'm pretty sure, me being a positive person I am, I'm gonna make the best out of every situation. Just come in there positive. Don't come in there defeated. Come in there ready to learn this skill, whether it's to learn a new skill or to perfect the skill you already in. Like, come in there being already open-minded and willing. Already know you gonna win at this. Already know this is for you. Already understand that you can make a lot of money in this business if you just have the mindset to do it. Okay, don't come in there negative, coming down to bring down the house, baby, because we're gonna have to boot you. We're gonna have to boot you. Okay, all positive energy. Like I said, already be confident enough in yourself to know you got this. Okay, and don't nobody gotta tell you different. You got a gang of sisters ready to roll with you, honey. We support at the end of the day. Y'all know, y'all be in the DMs enough. So anyways, that's it. Also, check out the website anyway, y'all. We got a whole bunch of goodies on the website. Look, I don't know if I'm going to get a thumbnail or not, honey. But we got a bunch of goodies on the website. We got tons of faux leather that has restocked, y'all. I know YouTube always gets it last. So if y'all do not follow me on Instagram at GoLuckyCharmz, I don't know what to tell you. The link is in the description, honey. As soon as I get something, I always post over there, whether I'm going live or I'm just putting it up on there. And the girls go crazy. Like, I'm not even kidding you. They go crazy. Sometimes I don't even get to announce it. I've been put it on the website and be about to go post something, and honey, they done already started. They done start buying stuff before I can get it on the website. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to follow me, because I promise you, stuff be sold out so quick, it's not even funny. And the more I get, the more I think I'm gonna be able to hold on to it. No, more and more babes coming from everywhere, all over the place. You know what I'm saying? They coming, and they buying it up. So grab your faux leathers, grab your Croc charms, grab your patches, grab whatever you can grab, because it goes fast. I ain't gonna lie. It does. I try to stay up with y'all to the best of my ability, but honey, sometimes y'all be running me through the dirt. y'all be running me through the dirt, honey. I don't know if I'm coming or going. The China people know me better than I know myself at this point, okay? So that's it. That's all. I just wanted to come update y'all because I told you I would. Now, y'all make sure y'all beat me there. Don't even meet me there. Beat me there. I want to see all my babes, okay? And if you watching this video by mistake, honey, you just so happen to scroll on through, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend because maybe she or he needs this Croc class, okay? 40 spots available. Let's see how fast we can fill them up. Make sure y'all share this video, okay? Make sure y'all like it because that helps your girl, you know. I don't get paid, but it helps the algorithm. It helps push me out there to other people. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? That's it. That's all. I'm done. Don't come at me if you miss this class. Talking about Lucky. When you gonna do another class? Sis, I don't know. If you ain't in this one, I don't know what to tell you. Because there's not a lot of people out here offering Croc classes. But if this class is a success, it's going to open up the doors for me to want to do more. Okay? But we don't know that. It takes my babes to pour into me so I can pour into y'all so we can make this thing happen. If you know, you know. Okay? So anyways, that's it, babe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Yeah. Follow me on my Instagram because I'll be going live about it soon. If you have any questions, you know, make sure you go ahead on and leave me a message under this video or send me a private DM on my Instagram and I will get back to you. I promise. And yeah, that's it. That's all. I can't never shut up.